This is from Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila, chapter 13. Avashesha Radha Krishna Kare Nivedan Say to me, Sayami, say Navasangam. Mahaprabhu looked at Lord Jagannath sitting on his chariot and he said, you are the same Krishna and I am the same Radharani. We are meeting again in the same way that we met in the beginning of our lives in the bank of the Yamuna at Yamuna Pulin. Says Jagannath Deki Prabhu Bhava Utila. He saw Jagannath, and Lord Chaitanya always saw Jagannath as Sri Krishna of Vrindavan, Shamsundar, Brajendra Nandan. He said, you're the same Krishna, and I'm in this Mahabhav. But he says, you're Radha, you're Krishna. And then she goes on. Tatapi Amaraman Hare Brindavan Brindavane Udaikaro Apanacharan. Although we're both the same, my mind is still attracted to Vrindavan Dham. I wish that you will please again appear with your lotus feet in Vrindavan. Ihan Lokaranya Hati Ghora Ratadwani Tahan Pushparanya Bringa Pika Narashuni. In Kurukshetra, this is the scene at Kurukshetra when Radharani met Krishna after 50 years of separation. Here there are crowds of people, elephants and horses and the rattling of chariots. But in Vrindavan, there are flower gardens, the buzzing of bees and the chirping of birds can be heard. Ihan, Rajavesha Sange, Sabha Kshatriyagan, Tahan Gopavesha Sange, Murali Vadan. Here in Kurukshetra, you are dressed as Rajvesh, as the Maharaj, Dwarkanath, the king of Dwarka. And you're surrounded, Kshatriyagan, so many soldiers, great warriors. But in Vrindavan, Gopavesh, you wear a simple dhoti and chadar and pagari, turban. No heavy gold crown. You just wear a turban, one little peacock feather, some gunjamala. This is what Radharani is seeing. She's in Kurukshetra and looking at Krishna and saying, I'm seeing you like this. Gopavesha Sange Murali Vadan. And to your face you have the Murali. And you call us every night with your Murali. But here you have Gada, club. You have a club, Gada. And you have swords and Arjun with his arrows. Braje Tomara Sangeje Sukha Ashwadan Se Sukha Sumudrara Ihan Nahi Eka Khan. In Braje Tomara Sangha, in Braj, in your association, when I was with you in Braj, then Sukha Aswadan, how much happiness, how much bliss we were relishing and tasting. How much? An ocean can't compare. Samudra means Sindhu or ocean. Can't compare. And what is that? Ihan. And here, Ihan Nahi Eka Khan. Here in this place, Kurukshetra, Ek means one, Khan means particle. Small, there's not one particle of happiness in Kurukshetra as compared to Vrindavan. Amalana Punalila Karaha Vrindavan Taba Amar Manavansha Hayata Parane. I therefore request you to come to Vrindavan and enjoy pastimes with me. If you do so, my ambition will be fulfilled. So this emphasizes that even though the Nayak and the Nayak are there, the supreme hero and heroine, Radha and Krishna, are together. And they have the Sthairati of Madhurarati. They're lovers. They're eternal lovers. So they're so excited to see each other. But still, the place, the people are there. The feelings are there. The hearts are there. They're seeing, they're speaking. But the place is so important. The place is so very important. So his first line is mentioning that, emphasizing this is the Vrindavan. It has these creepers and has these sprouts. So I mentioned here that Vrindavan, I said Radharani means Vrindavan and Vrindavan means Radharani. So Radharani plus Vrindavan, Radharani plus Vrindavan equals Leela Purushottam Sri Krishna. You can't separate. You need Krishna, you need Radha, and you need Vrindavan. That's why the Padma Puran says, Vrindavanam prityaja paramekam nagachati. This Vrindavan, Radha and Krishna, paramekam, one step, they don't take one step out of Vrindavan. It's not possible. No one would let them. How is it that we're standing in front of some favorite Thakurji? Radha Gopinath, Radha Raman, Radha Shamsundar, Banki Bihari, Laralaji and Barsana, whomever your favorite Thakurji. How is it we're looking at them, taking darshan, and we're feeling that they're really there, and they're really looking at us? Because they are. Radha and Krishna are really here. And they're most obviously there in their deity forms, in their murti forms. So this is Vrindavan.